Hello students, so now I am starting the lecture number 4 of the electrostatics, that is related by the charging by induction method. It's a most important method of charging and will be used in the later part of this book also in many units. So what is basically the word induction means? हिंदी में इसका मतलब होता है इंड्यूस करना, मतलब किसी चीज़ को ज़बरदस्ती कराना. दैट इज़ नोन एज इंड्यूस वर्ड इन द लेमैन्स लैंग्वेज. So how will I understand the induction process? Number one thing, like conduction, one body must be charged. एक बॉडी पे पहले से चार्ज होना चाहिए. One body must be charged, right? Number two, conduction or friction, both are permanent process. बट इंडक्शन परमानेंट प्रोसेस नहीं है. दिस इज़ द टेम्पररी प्रोसेस. दिस इज़ द टेम्पोररी प्रोसेस, राइट? सो लेट अस सी इंडक्शन. हाउ डज द इंडक्शन टेक्स प्लेस? लेट अस से अगेन वी टेक द टू बॉडीज. दिस इज़ द बॉडी ए विच इज़ हैविंग द पॉजिटिव चार्ज. बॉडी बी इज़ न्यूट्रल, इट इज़ हैविंग नो चार्ज. नाउ यू डोंट हैव टू टच दिस A with B. If you touch, then it is conduction. You don't have to rub also. What you have to do? You have to bring this body near to A, right? इसके पास लेके आना है A की B को. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to bring this body B near to A. If I do, then what is going to happen? B के पास यहाँ पे दोनों charges. Is having both the charge, positive and negative here, right? So the positive here is going to repel the positive here of B. So इसके positive जो होंगे that will go to the other side, right? I repeat again. B here is having both the charge. It is not seen because neutral means what? Both positive and negative are equal. So when it comes near to A, then because of this positive charge, the positive charge which is here is going to repel on the other side. So what is going to happen? That B body is positive charge is going to go on the other side and यहाँ पे negative आ जाएगा. This is the body B. So these two are known as what? Dipoles in physics. Dipoles means two charges of opposite nature separated by a small distance. The dipoles will be formed, right? Now the question arises, what is it? The body B is still charged? The answer is no, because suppose this negative is plus 5 and here positive is negative is minus 5 and positive is plus 5, then the net charge is 0. So now how to charge body B? So for that you have to do one more process. Here one more question. If I take the body B apart, अगर इसको वापस लेके जाए, this is a question given in NCERT exam book also, that if we take body B apart, then what is going to happen? If we take body B here and again body A is here, then what is going to happen? B will again become neutral. ये वापस neutral हो जाएगी B. So let us go to the initial condition back. That is what? With body A you have positive charge, with body B which is the neutral body, right, which was charged like this, right? So in physics, these two charges which are closer to each other, plus and minus, suppose these are known as bound charges. Very important, bound charges. And this charge which is not there close with A, because there is no force of attraction here, so this is the unbound charge. इसको हम unbound charge कहते हैं. Now how to charge this body B? It is very important. So what that you have to undergo one more process in physics, that is known as the process of earthing. उसको अभी हम समझेंगे इस लेक्चर में. It's a very important process. Try to understand very carefully the process of earthing. What is the name? Process of earthing. So what I am going to do, that this was body A which was positively charged, this was body B which was having the negative charge here and positive charge here. So I am going to connect this part, that is this is the unbound charge, that is the positive charge, to the earth, right? This is the symbol of earthing. What is the symbol? Like this. Okay, this is a symbol of earthing. So we have considered in physics the potential of earth as zero. Earth का zero potential होता है. That means what? You can give any amount of charge to the earth and you can take any amount of charge from the earth. Okay, any amount of charge can be given or taken back from the earth. When I am going to say the charge, what does I mean here? I mean only electron, not the protons. It's very important, right? So when I'm doing the earthing here, then what is the process here? Let us see that. Now this was negative B and this was positive, and I've earthed this. So what is going to happen now? This is the potential which is plus and this is the potential which is zero. So which is higher? Obviously plus potential is greater than the zero potential, right? Now charge travels from what? Charge goes from lower potential to higher potential, lower potential to higher potential. That's a very important part. चार्ज हमेशा छोटे पोटेंशियल से बड़े पोटेंशियल की ओर जाते हैं. दैट मीन्स यहाँ पे छोटा कौन सा है? दिस जीरो पोटेंशियल इज ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन द प्लस पोटेंशियल. सो द इलेक्ट्रॉन फ्रॉम द अर्थ हियर, they are going to go towards this side, right? Now when the electron will go towards this side, then they are going to neutralize this plus and they are going to stay here. So what is going to happen? This part becomes neutral. Now this negative charge will spread around it, right? Okay, ऐसे हो जाएगा. Now if we remove the earthing, then what is going to happen? This was in the boundary state with the A, right? So now what is going to happen? That B will become again what? If you remove the earthing, B will become negatively charged completely. So charge is going to spread uniformly. That is one of the property. Okay, you have to just remember it. The charge spread uniformly throughout the conductor. So यहाँ पे charge uniformly spread हो जाएगा. So this is the condition, right? Okay. Now one more thing which is very important, that we will understand one more part of earthing. So what was that? That suppose this is a condition that A was a negatively charged here, okay, and this B was here. Bring it near to A. So what is going to happen? This time it is going to repel the electron here. So what is going to happen? That यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Electron will go here and positive charge will come here. Now if I am earthing this part, then what is going to happen? This is a zero potential and this is a plus potential. So this time these electrons are going to travel inside the earth. So now what is the condition? That when the electron will go inside the earth, again this side will become neutral and positive charge will be here, and again A is here. So what is the condition? If you remove the earthing, then what is the condition? That this positive charge is going to spread on the B. So this was the condition, right? Then again B becomes charged. So you have to remember this process of earthing, which is very important. Okay, in this lecture, see this lecture 2 or 3 times for the process of earthing. It is very important. And again the one thing which I have taught you, that was the part of induction, right? So this comes to the end of the methods of charging, and you have to attempt the questions now, the assignments which I will be giving you. Thank you so much.